Hi, I'm Chris Maynard, Sales Manager, Noland Pre-Owned. I have a very unique 2018 GMC Yukon Denali I want to share with you. It's been tastefully customized with some really cool options I think you're going to like. Check it out with me. This 2018 Yukon Denali is wrapped in a beautiful onyx black clear coat over a jet black interior. Powered by the well-known and coveted 6.2-liter Ecotec V8, this Denali with the Ultimate Package is really the ride for you. With the Ultimate Package, you get the power running boards, the Sun and Entertainment Package, adaptive cruise control with the ever-safe automatic forward braking system. You can also ride in comfort with heated and cooled front seats. You have all the amenities such as rain-sensing wipers, tri-zone automatic climate control, even has wireless charging for your cell phone in the center console. Your passengers will be well entertained with the rear DVD system, all while you're cruising down the road listening to your Bose entertainment system. This Denali has a custom suspension with 24-inch dub wheels, high-performance tires, custom exhaust system that gives it a real rumble and growl when you start it up and you're rolling down the road. I hope you've enjoyed checking out this 2018 GMC Yukon Denali with me. As you can see, it has some really awesome customization on it. I'd like to invite you to come in and check it out firsthand and hear that exhaust in person. It's amazing. We'll see you soon.